These are the only trades you need to know about today, starting with number 10 in Dollar General. The largest U.S. dollar store chain will replace Cooper Industries in the S&P index after the closing bell on Friday. The revisions in the S&P 500 may prompt money managers that track the index to shift their holdings to match the adjustment. Sarah?
Number 9, Yelp. The online review site was upgraded from hold to buy at Cantor based on valuation scale and improving efficiency. Cantor has kept the price target at $24. Yelp's market value has increased 25% since its IPO back in March.
And number 8 is Corning. The New York-based company has boosted its third quarter view for glass market volume, citing stronger than expected demand for LCD televisions and other consumer electronics. Company also noted their product, Corning Gorilla Glass, may hit $1 billion in sales this year. Betty.
And at number 7 is Acadia. Shares of the pharmaceutical company have doubled their value after the company announced that its experimental treatment to help Parkinson's disease patients with psychosis was effective in a study. If approved, this treatment, would be the company's first product on the market.
And number 6 is McMoRan. Shares of the energy company are extending yesterday's 22% plunge after problems with a clog at the Davy Jones well. A JP analyst says shares of the company are overvalued and have, quote, zero equity value using NYMEX futures. Josh.
And number 5, Green Mountain Coffee. We're watching shares of the Keurig maker ahead of its earnings release, which is due after the closing bell this afternoon. So far this year, the company has lost over a third of its market value. Betty.
And at number 4 is Knight Capital. Shares of the financial firm that suffered a $450 million error in August hit a 3-month high yesterday as the company awaits acquisition proposals that may reach $1.4 billion, according to KBW.
Number 3 is eBay. Shares of the online auction site closed almost 5% higher yesterday, near 8-year high, on optimism that it will benefit from a surge in online shopping ahead of the year-end holidays as consumers look to save time and money. Alex.
And your number 2 stock, ConAgra Foods. The packaged food manufacturer has agreed to acquire WallCorp Holdings for $90 a share. That's a 28% premium on yesterday's closing price, creating one of the largest packaged food companies in North America and concluding a pursuit that began in March of last year. Betty.
And your number 1 stock this morning is the big tech giant Hewlett-Packard. It just gets worse and worse for them. The company is being sued by an investor over an $8.8 billion write-down that the company said was partly related to falsified finances at Autonomy. The lawsuit alleges that HP issued false and misleading statements in its purchase of the British software company. There will certainly be more to come on this story.